There are many products available to choose the best stick welders reviews, each with different characteristics. I conducted in-depth research, read a ton of reviews, and prepared a list of the best stick welders reviews from respected manufacturers to assist you in making an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. YESWELDER ARC165DS Stick Welder. Best Budget Stick Welder. With Jenny arc welding machines, YESWELDER ARC165DS might be one of the cheapest stick/lift TIG welders on the market, and it is undoubtedly the most affordable machine on our list that will get your job done. But, of course, it will work well as long as you treat it as a $100 machine. ARC165DS is a budget-friendly welder machine you can use for light-duty projects and repairs around the house, or start getting into the world of welding. These will help newbies start and maintain their first arc. It weighs only 11 pounds, meaning you can easily carry it around the workshop. However, lightweight doesn't have to mean fragile, as YESWELDER ARC165DS is a durable stick welder. But, given the 1-year warranty, I don't recommend you to stress test it. Number 2. Hobart Stickmate 160i, Best Stick Welder under $500. The Hobart Stickmate 210i may be an expensive product for some welders, but the 160i is specifically designed to meet the needs of beginners and hobbyists, but seasoned welders will like it also. More so, its design breathes the quality and reliability that many welders look for. In addition, the Hobart stick welding crew went out of their way and added some decent features in this one. For example, the infinite amp control mechanism is worth every penny. This stick/arc welder comes with hot start technology, which helps you strike an arc every time. The dual voltage input of 120/240ths of a volt increases versatility, as you can use it in the garage, small shop, ranch, or remote job site location. The sturdy and rugged design does not mean that it is heavy. In fact, at 15 pounds, 6.8 kilograms, of weight, it is easy to take around the various work sites. In addition, the small shape and shoulder strap increase portability greatly. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN ARC 200 Inverter Stick Welder, Best Beginner-Friendly Welder. ARC 200 is a great value compact and lightweight welder for home, DIY, hobby, or on-field repairs, rated at 200 amps. ARCCAPTAIN's new lineup that includes ARC 200 stick/lift TIG welder surely deserves more attention. This welder utilizes an IGBT inverter technology that makes it lightweight and efficient. With 11.37 pounds, you will find it easy to move, and you even get a shoulder strap for convenient transport. The dual voltage capability dramatically increases the versatility of the ARCCAPTAIN ARC 200 stick welder. When welding thinner pieces, you can plug it into a regular 110 volts household outlet, but the welder shows the best results at 220 volts. Therefore, at 220 volts, you get a maximum output of 200 amps to tackle more serious projects. In addition, a 60% duty cycle allows you to weld longer before taking a break. Number 4. Eastwood ARC80 Inverter Stick Welder, Best Light-Duty Arc Welder. Eastwood welders are slowly becoming an essential part of the auto body and hobbyist industry, and ARC80 welders are no exception. This is a lightweight and compact but well-built and capable arc welder. However, compared to other inverter welders on this list, this is a 110 volts only unit. Besides MMA, Eastwood ARC80 is also a TIG welder. You can change the given process by flipping the switch, but keep in mind that the TIG torch is not included. Nonetheless, you can buy it as part of the TIG welding bundle, but with added cost. Even though ARC80 weighs only 11 pounds, this is still a durable and built-in USA welder. To protect your investment, Eastwood offers a 3-year warranty. With a thermal overload indicator, your internal components are safe. So, the overall value you get for the money spent is outstanding. Number 5. YESWELDER Y160 Inverter Stick Welder. The YESWELDER Y160 is yet another excellent inverter stick/lift TIG welder that offers some fine features and quality over the YESWELDER ARC165DS we mentioned at the start. This is the latest addition to the YESWELDER lineup, and it is somewhat pricier, but for a reason. Appearance-wise, the YESWELDER Y160 stick welder switched from the traditional blue/white combination, so it reminds me of the latest YESWELDER YWM211P or YWM200 machines. The welder is somewhat heavier than the older ARC165DS, weighing 15 pounds. However, the case and overall build seem to be significantly better, even than some older YESWELDER MIG and TIG welders. If you are looking for an all-in-one machine capable of stick welding and plasma cutting, check YESWELDER MP200 or Frista's CT2050 multi-purpose stick welders. Thanks.